Dude, I have something to tell you. You know, there's this girl, she's my classmate, and her name is Grace. And she's so hot. Like, damn. Then, I think I like her now. Then, I wanna ask her out. Bro, do you have any advice? I think you should try asking her to date. Grace, Grace.
Yes.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm
But
okay.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, maybe.
You wanna talk about it?
Yeah, sure.
Well, see you.
I'll just text you. Bye.
So, how are you doing?
I'm not okay, but it'll get solved.
Seriously, seriously.
So, I'm having this hard time managing my studies and the time to these past few days. They've decided to stop seeing for the reason that I don't have a time for them. And I can hang out with them anytime they want. And here's my mom, nagging at me every time I come home from school. She always gets mad for no exact reason.
That's pretty tough, but other people may have the same kind of situation, and they're okay with it. But if your family and friends they'll understand that.
They don't understand.
You know, the moment they realize that they've done this, they'll change for the better. So just stay positive.
Change? Is change really coming?
Okay lang. Is change really coming? And then why? Sa concept mo ba?
Tingin ko, oo. Kapag nagkaroon naman ng opportunity yung tao, bago naman siguro siya para sa pamilya niya or friends.
Kaya ate, is change really coming?
Yes, kasi para sa akin, kung mahal ko yung isang tao tulad ng pamilya ko, willing akong magbago para sa kanila, lalo na kung para sa ikakabuti din namin sa hinaharap.
Is change really coming?
For me, no, because you shouldn't change for the ones you love. They must accept you for who you really are.
Kuya, is change really coming?
Pati ko pwede naman. Pwede. Why? Kasi kung para naman sa ibang tao, nasusosay magpasaya.
Thank you. Ay, ate, is change really coming?
At some point, yes, and mas okay kung for the better.
Ay, ate, is change really coming?
Hindi. Kasi hindi mo kailangang magbago para i-accept ka ng taong nagmamahal sa'yo.
Is change really coming?
In the context of
Love?
yeah. I guess it depends. I don't think you should change specifically because a person wants you to change. But I think being in relationships does change you because you're affected by other people and by your circumstances.
Sabi sa'yo change really is coming. And it depends on the person naman if he or she is willing to change. Then when they realize that they're wrong or what they've done is wrong, of course they'll change for the better. And don't worry, I'll always be here.